Pulling in 20. Pulling in 15.
Well, I'm getting better and better at this fight. I know this fight. I'm gonna know this fight more than I'm gonna know any other fights. I don't even remember the tier still, even on our week 2.
Pulling in 5.
This fight's gonna be in my sleep. Ugh. I wonder how many potions I have left. I keep asking myself.
Remind me to
Litany.
like copy paste that later.
Battle voice.
365.
Star 10.
There's a group that does that. They just keep passing their streams off every day, and they've been doing it for like 7 years. I think it was called like Stream House. Does anyone know about that? It's like one of the first. I don't know. I've never watched it myself, but I heard about it. And they all live in a house, and they're like, "Okay, your turn," or they try to keep the stream running. Yo, the Bob Ross streams are lit.
Spread.
For sure.
North-south spread.
Spring, yeah.
I don't know why I go all the way north.
Thanks, Buster.
Every time I do that, I forget that on my brain. Peg.
Star 10.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly it. That's exactly it, Grand. When it, like, 9 and 10, we were like, what the hell? At the time, we tried so hard. Our log was a 99 as a group because we tried to skip the last towers because we didn't know how to do them. We knew how. We was like, let's just skip them. We don't need to do it. Next week, we might skip them. But that scares me. That's why I like to go in PF, because I need to remember how to do it.
It's fine. Just take it.
Oh. I should not be here.
Investigator didn't go outside yet.
You're fine.
Star 10.
Focus. I'll take it for one. It's okay. Sorry.
I got next.
Oh yeah, remember? It's not as big as a prog stopper as I thought, like... It's like, remember Booty? Pepsi Man?
Litany. Battle voice.
1 and B for oranges. B and D for blue.
Star 10.
Tier 3, star in the middle. Blue, south, yellow's north. Tier 3 in a moment.
Sure.
Yeah, we were at 4% when we did it. So next week, you can definitely skip it if you up potion and time everything. Or at least get close.
B.
Star 10.
We're talking about Yoshi P. I took when you said prog wall with a grain of salt. Yeah, true.
Later it is going to be insides.
Alright, late.
Check your numbers and others. Wing, one's out. Two's out. Three's out, knockback from two. Four's out. Insides.
Tank stuff soon. After raid wipe.
Yeah.
Star 10.
Oh my god, man.
Voking. Super.
Everything's all off. I need to. There's that whole part I need to do better.
Is going to be in enters.
Remember, go to the sides.
Wing first.
Wing on the marker. On the marker.
One more line. One
On the
more line.
marker, gun.
And enters.
In enters.
And enter. Do the front.
Sprint if you have to. Go back to your line.
On the marker, gun.
Side.
Wing again.
Pot one.
Repot.
Battle voice.
Damn it, of course it was my misery.
Litany.
It's okay.
Focus up.
Star 10.
Harder
I wasn't in the bubble.
I'll be after my damage. Drivers window. I don't have pot anyways.
Yeah, LB didn't even come up during.
It's fine, it's fine.
It's not going to unless we
Pay attention.
bring in.
Inside.
Insides later.
Yeah, focus on this junction. This junction
Spread.
spread. Respect the spread. Spread and north
North south. North south spread.
Spread after.
Just in.
Next is gonna be stack insides.
Cure 3.
Heals.
Cure 3.
Inside.
Inside stack.
Don't leave your homies. For the side. Don't leave the homies.
Stay.
Don't leave the homie.
Thank you. Cure 3.
Double mitt tank buster. Shirking.
Watching you.
Great light damage. One more.
Kill it.
I can kill this
Kill it!
pineapple bitch.
Yeah!
Okay, don't get knocked off. Don't get knocked off.
Can we short cast? Short casting? I don't know. I'm scared.
Imagine casting the fight.
I'm scared! Mika! Mika gets to see it!
Fuck this boss, dude.
Alright, let Mika enjoy.
Is undone. But is she alright?
Scream! Yo, it's time, the song. I feel like shaking right now.
Metron? Ah!
Yes, I remember. I am Gaia. Mine was the seat of Logreth. I shall restore the power of darkness to this star.
I think she pulls herself.
I shall fulfill
Yeah, she
my
pulls herself,
duty as the
right?
Oracle of Darkness.
Litany. Battle voice.
By the will of the ancients.
Good luck.
Star 10.
Whispers of ruination.
Alright, record.
Smite my foe!
Stacks. This is annoying. And then stacks first, stacks first, stacks first. Now. You can. Wait. I know. Oh, we can't do that.
I think you can. Just pop the shield late. I think you have to pop it.
Over here and anti-knockback for no reason
Like,
at all.
I'm pretty sure you have to pop it before she
Whoosh!
dashes to you. 'Cause it's
I meant to
not-
call
Yeah, sorry, I was
it.
blessing
I'm
that,
pretty
so
sure
I-
you can't knockback immune that. You can dash it, but I'm
Really?
almost positive you cannot immune it. Yeah.
Yeah, I had
I'll take
1
over for
second left when it hit me.
Oh, okay. Alright. Guess you can't. Bud.
He gets the song we played for you 20 million times. Oh, you could just goes, oh.
You guys ready to do what knights hate the most?
Uh-oh.
Hold it, yeah, let's go.
Oh, fuck yes.
Oh, here we go! Here we go!
Frog bolts.
Frog pull.
Let's see the fight.
Litany. Star 10.
Alright,
Battle
I'll
voice.
do first reprisal and heart of light.
Holy. Remember to stack in for Cure 3.
Or making it first reprisal.
Big shield.
Oh, I can use, Okay, we don't need temperance yet. I'll use temperance on the stacks.
Smite my foe!
Use your buddies. This is delayed though. So
And it's delayed by 12, 10, 9,
you can get positional still.
7, 6,
Go dome. Go dome.
3,
Go dome. Go stack, stack,
2,
stack.
1.
Dark
Step.
Roach is waiting.
And bait.
Okay, so we need to move up, I think, and then get knocked back or
She
something.
jumps to the furthest away person, always.
It's
Oh,
tank buster.
Okay.
No,
And then you
Ren
run
don't
up
bait.
to her.
Ren
And
don't
then
bait it. Ren don't bait it.
I know, I'm not.
That's very bad.
Oh, fuck, I got knocked
Star
back.
10.
Oh shit. And then we have to stay spread, okay. I got Jake when he gets up. Okay.
Alright,
Ren, that did like almost half my health with no,
Hold on, Cure 3, Cure 3.
Okay.
Pulsars are AoEs.
Not gonna
so-
lie, that doesn't hurt as much as obliteration.
No.
I know, I got
Nothing-
nervous.
Nothing hurts too bad in this
I
fight.
think the only way that killed you was
Now this hurts.
You guys ready?
Oh no.
kinda. Let's see what I know.
What do we do?
Hope you guys didn't fail math.
Uh-oh.
And physics.
Yep, that hurts.
What?
That's the one that hurts.
We didn't spread.
No.
No, it's an AoE. 150k AoE has to be mitigated and shielded.
Yeah.
It does about 15k more damage than Shiva in Titan. So that's the one I'm going to be using Collective for. And then we'll have Part of Light in Adult as well.
Caitlin's laughing. She's like, oh, that didn't hurt too bad. Wait a minute. The next AoE is like, bye. Do you want me to hold Temperance? Do you want me to just not use Temperance in the beginning?
Use Temperance on the stack spread.
Okay, okay.
For basic relativity, it will be Collective, a Shield, Part of Light, and Adult.
And Reprisal, right?
Well, yeah, Reprisal on
Okay.
everything. Yeah.
Well, I don't think either of those were.
After I spent the last 3 hours and 45 minutes constantly dropping the
I don't know what I'm
75k
doing.
HP, I'm just not-
Doesn't it?
I'm
Have you
not
guys
even
played Final
hurting
Fantasy
anymore
VIII?
now.
Hold on one second,
We
let me,
can pop Troubadour for basic for now as we prog it, but after we finish it, I'll probably ask you for. I'll have you pop it on intermediate instead.
Let me change my stream title,
We'll just
even though we only have
Exactly.
Me
Alright,
too.
let's go.
I love
4
me too.
minutes.
This is the.
Page is relative knights.
Frog pull.
I shall fulfill my duty as the Oracle of Darkness.
Litany.
Yeah, raid time ends soon too. I want to stay in here. Can I just stay in here forever?
Battle voice. Star
Her
10.
auto's hurt. What the
You have
fuck?
Final Fantasy VIII tattoos, and I don't even have that. Okay, hold on. I'm not.
I'll hold.
Tier 3?
Cool jail first. Yep. Belt waitings.
Fight my foe!
Stacking waiting and a spread and waiting.
I'm gonna wait to pop the Temperance. I would do 2 of them. Give it like 5 seconds.
Remember, don't bait the tank bust.
I won't, I won't.
It's not a tank buster, it just
3,
hurts. It can be mitigated.
2, 1. I'm gonna give you a venison. Here you go. And then stay spread.
Knockback.
I'm staying back here. I'm staying
Why
back
does it
here.
keep sending me to the side? I was
Star 10.
And a Benny. Tier 3 in the middle.
And the
Not
star.
Why isn't my tier 3 going up? Fucking yellow. Okay. That's fine. I have blueberry.
Try and see more.
Present.
Yeah, that's what I'm hearing.
My reprisal.
Phase 1 is. Oh,
Infinite
holy shit, what a headache.
possibilities condensed into a single moment.
It's back for heals.
Tier 3, watch your buff. Let's see what you can do with it.
No, because I
It's
forgot what I
crazy.
looked up.
I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
me
say.
too.
Oh,
Those
yeah.
are ice.
You gotta look
What's
at your
my buff?
debuffs.
So we place
Oh, wait, there's